What if I told you America once bought a frozen land that many people called the biggest mistake in history? Today, that land, Alaska, has become one of the most strategic and valuable states in the United States. But how did that happen? Alaska isn't just America's largest state. It's bigger than many countries, yet home to only a small population. At its closest point, only a narrow stretch of water separates Alaska from Russia, making it one of the world's most strategically important regions. But here's the biggest question. Why did Russia sell such a vast and resource-rich land to the United States? The answer changed history forever. In 1867, the United States bought Alaska from Russia for just $7.2 million. Many Americans believed the government had paid for nothing more than a frozen, useless wilderness. Critics mocked the deal and newspapers ridiculed the purchase. The controversial acquisition became known as Seward's Folly. Then everything changed. Gold discoveries sent thousands of people rushing north, transforming Alaska's economic importance almost overnight. But Alaska's true value went far beyond gold. Its position between the Pacific and the Arctic, so close to Russia, gradually turned it into a major strategic asset for America. World War II revealed Alaska's strategic importance even more clearly. In 1942, Japan occupied parts of the Aleutian Islands, turning Alaska into a front line in the North Pacific. When the Cold War began, Alaska became even more important. Its proximity to the Soviet Union made it a critical location for radar stations, military bases, and defense infrastructure. Then came another turning point, oil. The discovery of massive reserves at Prudhoe Bay in 1968 transformed Alaska's economy. To move that oil to distant markets, the Trans-Alaska Pipeline was built, stretching more than 800 miles. It became a symbol of Alaska's economic infrastructure. Today, Alaska's economy is about more than oil. Fishing, mining, tourism, and transportation all play major roles, built around its natural resources and enormous geography. Alaska's seafood industry is especially important. These resources make fishing a major part of the state's economy. And beneath Alaska's surface lies another source of wealth: gold, zinc, silver, and other minerals. As demand for critical minerals grows, this sector could become even more important. But Alaska's next economic chapter may not be oil. Critical minerals, new infrastructure, and a changing Arctic could push the state's economy in a new direction. As Arctic ice changes, interest in northern sea routes is growing. In the future, Alaska could become an important gateway for new Arctic trade routes between North America and Asia. But Alaska's future isn't only about minerals and shipping. Its vast wilderness, glaciers, and wildlife attract tourists from around the world, making tourism another major economic force. But doing business in Alaska isn't easy. Vast distances, harsh weather, limited infrastructure, and a small population can all raise the cost of doing business. That means opportunities may emerge in areas like tourism, seafood processing, logistics, energy, and resource support businesses. So why does Alaska matter so much? Because one state combines Arctic access, natural resources, military geography, ocean routes, and enormous wilderness, a rare strategic combination. As the Arctic becomes more important in the decades ahead, Alaska's strategic and economic value could rise even further. The question is, how much of that potential can America unlock? Alaska is more than ice and wilderness. It's a crucial part of America's history, economy, and future. Which region should we explore next?